Alright everybody, thanks for watching. This turned out pretty cool. It's a fun idea. It's something that you guys could do as a family or with your friends or just by yourself. You know, sometimes I have a hard time deciding what I want to eat. I kept it just one letter. That way it can be flexible, right? C could be Chinese food or chicken. H could be hamburger or hot dog. So we love Chinese food, we love Mexican food, we love Italian food, so that's what we did it. That's why we chose those letters. Pizza, barbecue, and hamburger are big things that we eat as well. I do want to give a shout out to Corey and Jessica with Make Shape Create out of Maryland. They made a really cool roll top desk. I'll link the video down in the description. I highly recommend checking that one out. Also Joel from Small Space Makers. He's got a podcast, a video podcast going right now about time management as a maker and creator, but it applies to everybody. I highly recommend it. He'll also have some really cool full DIY projects coming very soon. So I'll link him down in the description as well. Of course, you guys like, comment, subscribe on our video. We love you guys, appreciate all the support, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I try to make it a little Jimmy DiResta style. I'm trying different things, trying to learn, and I'm trying to learn from other creators as well that have found success. So this definitely pushed me. I learned a lot making this project from the video standpoint, from an editing standpoint, and it was fun. So that's what really matters. But you guys be blessed, be good people, and peace out.